Okay, welcome back. And today we're going to do workout 3, page 6. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 is, circle the number that is more than 15. So the first number is 14. Is 15 bigger or 14? Yeah, 15 is bigger. So which means 14 is less. So it can't be that. Let's see 11. 11 is still less than 15, so that can't be the answer either. Let's see 16. Yeah, 16 is greater. So we can circle grade 16. And 9 is still smaller, so we got our answer, which is 16. Okay, now let's go to question number 2. It says match each sum to the right answer. So 1 has been done for you. 0 add 10. When you add a number to 0, it stays the same. Like we add 0 to this 10, so it still stayed the same and it's still 10. Okay, so the one we have to do is 15 add 2. So we keep 15 in our mind and count on 2. 15, 16, 17. So let's find 17. Yeah, this is 17. So let's match it to 17. And there's another way you can do it. Let's do column addition. So this is 10's place. This is 1's place. So you write the 1 in the 10 and the 5 in the 1's. And then in number 2, there is no 10, so there will be 0, and then 2 here. And then we plus it. So 5 plus 2 is 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 here. And then 1 plus 0, when you add a number to 0, it stays the same. It's still 1. So it's 17. So the same way is different ways but the same answer. Okay, so now the other one says 12 plus 8. So we can use both our ways. Put 12 in our mind and count on 8. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's find 20 now. Yes, this is 20. So now let's match it. And we can do the other way as well. The 10s, the 1s, the 1 in the 10th column and the 2 in the 1's column. And then the 8 in the 1's column and the 0 in the 10th column. And then let's add it now. 8 plus 2 is 8, 9, 10. So that's 10. But the 10 is 110. It can't go in the 1's column. So we regroup. We put a 1 in the 10th column. And then we put the 0 down here to make the 10. And then we go to 10th column and add 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 still stays the same. And we had another 1 up here. So we'll do 1 plus 1, which is 2. So here would be 2. So both ways the answer is still the same. Okay, and the last one, it says 2 add 12. So the bigger number in your mind, which is 12, and then count on 2. 12, 13, 14. So it's 14. And the other way, the 10s, the 1s. So we put the bigger number up and then the smaller number down. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 0 is 1 because it stays the same when you add 0 into it. 1. So in both ways, its answer is the same. Okay, now let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 is match each picture to the right words. So there's one picture here, another picture here, and another picture here. So, and the words are half full, quarter full, and full. So, first, half full. Which cup is half full? This is filled with water, so this is not half. This one, it looks like a bit less than half, and this one is exactly half. So we can match this one to the half full here. And then quarter full, this one is all full, so that can't be quarter full. So obviously then this one might be it. So we check, yeah, it's less than half, and so that means that's quarter is the half of the half. So that matches the quarter, and then this is all full. This one, it's all full, which means that matches to the full one there. Okay, now let's do question number 4. It says, fill in the missing numbers. So, it says something, add 3 equals 15. So when there's a missing number here or a missing number here, so the answer here has to do the opposite. Like if this is plus, so answer here, the opposite of plus is take away. So we do the answer take away this number, which gives us what we need to write here. The first, I'll just tell you the opposite of plus. The opposite of plus is take away, and the opposite of take away is plus. And then the opposite of times is divide, and the opposite of divide is times. Okay, so now we know that the opposite of plus is take away, so we do 15 take away 3. So 15 in your mind and count down 3. 15, 14, 13, and 12. So there can be 12 here, 12 here. And just to check our answer, we can do 12 plus 3. 12 in our mind, and 12, 13, 14, and 15. So that's right. And there's another way of doing it, like the column addition, so we can do plus and take away. We do 10s here, 1s here, and then the 10s is 1, and then 1s is 5, and then 3 here, and 0 here because there's nothing there. And instead of doing plus, we need to do takeaway. So we have our takeaway sign there, so we know we're takeawaying. So now we get 5 take away 3. So 5 in our mind and take away 3. 5, 4, 3, 2. So there's 2 here, and then 1 take away 0 is 1 because it stays the same. So our answer is 12, and both ways. Okay, so the second one is 3 is equal to something take away 8. So for example, we can make this something into a just for now, and then to find the a, but it actually is, we need to leave this a alone, and then when that's gone, we need to turn the number here has to go to the other side here, and then when it goes to the other side, because there is a takeaway here, so the takeaway will have to go to the opposite, which is plus. The opposite of takeaway is plus, and the opposite of plus is takeaway. So our new equation is 8 take 8 plus, because it's the opposite, 3. So 8 plus 3, 8 in your mind and count 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. So that equals to 11. So because that's 11, this answer, this 11, this will give us the answer of what this A represents. So this A is 11. So we know here we need to write 11. Okay, now let's start with page number 7. So let's start with question number 5. It says, if today is Sunday, what was yesterday? So the day before Sunday is yesterday. So let's start with Monday. So there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So what came before Sunday? Yeah, Saturday did. So which means yesterday was Saturday. So let's write Saturday here. The capital S because it's a name. It's All nouns have capital letters, and Saturday is a noun because it's a name. Names are nouns. Okay, now let's go to question number 6. It says count up in steps of 10 from 0 to 50. So it says cross 10 to cross 2 numbers you do not say. So we have to count in our tens table. 10. So 10 is right, so we don't cross there. 10, 20. So next is 20. So I don't know where this 15 came from. So we cross the 15. Then 10, 20, 30. Next is 30. So it can't be 25. So these are our 2 answers. So now we'll do question number 7. It says circle 2 coins that have the value of more than 10p. So let's see this first. This is 1p. So 1p is less than 10p. So it can't be that. And this one is 50p. 50 is more than 10. So that means this has a more value. So we circle that. And then next is 2p. 2 is less than 10, which means that can't be it. And there's 5p, that is also less, so it can't be that. And here's 20p. Yeah, 20 is more than 10. We circle that too. Okay, now let's go to question number 8. It says, Neil puts 2 flags in every sandcastle he builds. He builds 7 sandcastles. How many flags does he need? So he has 7 sandcastles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in each one there are 2 flags. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. So which means there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Altogether there are 14 flags. But there is an easier way to do this. So we get 7 here and 2 here. So we do 7 times 2. 7 times 2. So 7 times 2, if you don't know what 7 times 2 is, you can do the inverse, which is 2 times 7. It gives the same answer, but in a more easier way. And so when you do something times 2, you're also doubling when you're timesing 2. So, and then doubling is also like 7 plus 7. So the 2 you're timing with, you plus it with the same thing. So 7 plus 7 is 14. So 7 times 2 is 14, and 2 times 7 is 14. So our answer is 14. With 2 ways we get the same answer.